everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about broccoli, and I have a list of suggested food and flavor combinations that are known to work well with broccoli. So if you're looking for some specific recipe or menu or meal ideas using broccoli, hopefully this will help you out. Now this list is long, so I've broken it into two parts. This is part one. Combine broccoli with almonds, citrus fruits, and garlic. Broccoli with almonds and mushrooms. Broccoli with almonds and Romano cheese. Broccoli with basil, garlic, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and walnuts. Broccoli with bell peppers, capers, and olives. Broccoli with peppers and mozzarella cheese. Broccoli with chilies, garlic, ginger, lime, and olive oil. Broccoli with chilies, garlic, and olive oil. Broccoli with chilies, garlic, and orange juice and/or orange zest. And broccoli with feta cheese, mint, and red onions. And again, stay tuned for part two. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye now.